Hey guys, are you looking for easy ways to earn Bitcoin from your phone and are looking for methods that are 100% free? Then this video is for you. From this channel, I'm going to talk about most recommended ways to earn money online today. Remember, you can make money today if you take action. You will know that I love finding different free ways to make some extra money. And I also do love to earn cryptocurrencies for free, because it has huge potential and earning from your phone is just so convenient because you can do it whenever you want to. And therefore, I have put together a video here with 7 ways to earn Bitcoin from your phone, all of them 100% free, and they are legit, they actually do pay. Then let's just talk a little bit about why I personally do like getting paid in Bitcoin when I use different free online earning methods. And in my opinion, experienced Bitcoin has a huge potential, as do many other cryptocurrencies. So as long as you just do it with the right expectation and are interested in earning Bitcoin conveniently from your phone, and I just want to make clear, this is not a prioritized list, because which ones are the best for you really depends on your personal preferences. But you can also use all of them to earn more if you want to, or you can just choose a few. That's completely up to you. But let's now go over the list. So, the first option here is called peer-to-profit. And this is where you will share traffic and data passively. You will not have to do anything. You have to install it on your device. And then in the background, by sharing your unused internet data, you will earn. Just be aware that as of recording this video here, it's only available for Android phones. If you want to use it on your phone, you can also use it on computers. And it's available on many different computers. But for phone, it's currently only for Android, and you can then get paid in Bitcoin once you have earned $10. And there are several different options. And there's a few more on this list here also that offers you to earn this way. And they're great because it's completely passively. Once you've set it up, you do not have to do anything. And this is one of the highest paying ones that pays for sharing data like this. CryptoTab is the next one here on the list. And this is another way to potentially earn Bitcoin passively without doing anything else. Because it's a browser, you can install both on your computer, but also on your phone, and it also has an ad that makes it possible to earn even more. So you will just download it and earn passively in the background by mining Bitcoin. But this is definitely also an easy way. It will not give huge earnings. But as it is with passive options that once I show you here, you do not have to do anything. And if you use several of these passive options, it can slowly build up. Next, we have Coin-to-Play. And if you're looking for a way to earn Bitcoin from your phone, this is definitely a convenient way because you can either use the website or you can use the app. It has an app for Android. But for other phones, you can just log into the website from the browser on your phone, and it offers you to earn in many different ways. You can use a faucet, you can watch ad, play games, invite other people, complete surveys, and it has many different options here, and it pays quite decently for the tasks you do here. And you only need to earn $5 to be able to redeem your earnings as cryptocurrencies, as Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. The payout threshold is only $3. So definitely a great free way to earn some extra Bitcoin from your phone. Next, we have Feature Points, which is both a website and it also has an app you can see. You can download both the App Store and through Google Play here, you can do different tasks. You can also watch videos, take surveys, get cashback when you shop online, and play games and more. Once you have earned $10, you can redeem your earnings as Bitcoin. It also offers to pay out in many other ways, many other gift cards, and PayPal Cash if you prefer that. But since you're watching this video here, I do assume that you are interested in earning Bitcoin, of course. And this is also an option you can join from more or less all countries. Most of the options I've talked about here so far you can use from more or less all countries. So there are no restrictions like that. For the majority of these, of course, there can be some local restriction when it comes to Bitcoin. But no, I'm not a lawyer or anything like that. You will have to look into that in your specific country yourself. But anyways, let's move on to the next year. I have 3 more ways to show you, but before going over those, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. Next here we have IP Royal Pawns, which is similar to a couple of options as shown earlier here, also where you earn passively by sharing your unused instance it again. You're just installing, do not have to do anything else, will earn a bit in the background. By sharing this on your data, you can use it together with Pitch Profit and Honey Gain, as I showed earlier, and also some of the other passive options here. So if you install all of them, you can earn more. There might sometimes be where they affect each other a little bit. That depends on your device, on your country, on your internet connection. So there can be some things you need to test there. But again, will not give you huge earnings, but because you do not have to do anything can be a nice way to just let it run. And then, once in a while test out, you need to only earn $5 to be able to take your earnings out as Bitcoin, but it also offers to pay you in cash via PayPal if you prefer that once in a while. Next, we have Timebucks, which is a get-paid-to site with a lot of different ways to earn. And you can almost always find ways to earn here, no matter the country live in. There are plenty of surveys. Of course, how many surveys that are available will vary from country to country. But if there are not a lot of surveys, you can watch ads, you can watch videos, read news, watch slideshows, you can do different tasks, you can invite all those. It has a lot of different ways to earn here. And once you earn $10, you can get paid in Bitcoin. You can just set a sort of automatic peace out once per week. If you have reached that threshold, it's very convenient like that. And it also offers many other payout methods like Litecoin, or you can get paid in cash also if you want to get paid in cash once in a while. So this is definitely also a great get paid to site to earn Bitcoin. It does have an app, but the app currently is only to take surveys. If you want to do with other tasks, you need to log in on the Timebucks website through your phone browser, just so you're aware of that. So the last option I want to talk about is more kind of a bonus option. It's a little bit different. It's a way to, you can say, grow your Bitcoin earnings once you have earned using some of these other platforms here. This can also be done passively, and this is called Binance. This is a cryptocurrency trading platform, exchange where you can buy cryptocurrencies, but you can also earn in different ways. And they, for example, have a way to just hold your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies that are, and then you can earn interest without doing anything, and he can earn quite high infer sometimes. And Binance app is available both through Google Play and through the App Store. But can you also just use it on the website, depending on your preferences? But if you use any of these methods here, this can be a great way to just grow it further. Just take it into an exchange that offers nice interest just for having your Bitcoin standing there. It can be. Binance is one of the platforms I overall really liked. So overall, as you can see, if you're looking for free ways to conveniently earn some Bitcoin from your phone, then there are some really great methods. Some of them are completely passively, some of them require a bit more effort, but you can use just the ones you prefer. You can use all of them, that's completely up to you. I will leave links below here so you can find more information about all of them. Remember, you can make money today if you take action. Several of them also have different joining bonuses if you've joined through an invitation link. You can find that below here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time, and see you in the next video.